In this guide, I want to go ahead and answer the question whether RoEarn is safe here on Roblox. Before we dive into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you do have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. But if you're like me, you went on to Roblox today to sign in and play, and you ended up getting this little pop-up that's essentially introducing RoEarn. And what it is essentially a way to get cash back or Robux back whenever you make a purchase on anything. So say you buy game passes, catalog items, bundles, whatever it might be, you'll earn a portion of those Robux back and you can withdraw them anytime to your dashboard. It's a Chrome only extension right now. Maybe in the future it'll be on other devices, but as of right now it is only on Google Chrome. And it's super easy to set up. And yes, it is safe. To actually download it, you can either hit View Extension on Web Store or just open up a web browser here on Google Chrome and just type in RoEarn and then hit Enter. From here, you're going to see this first link. Go ahead and select it. It's going to take you to the Chrome Web Store. Simply hit Add to Chrome. And as you can see, it literally has 87 ratings and almost a perfect 5-star rating, which is pretty impressive for the Chrome Web Store, especially if you have a bunch of extensions. Usually things aren't rated that high, but essentially as soon as you do that, it's going to redirect you into Roblox where you're going to be prompted to sign in. Essentially just sign in and then it's going to ask you for an invite code. Go ahead and type in this invite code right here and you'll go ahead and receive 5 free Robux. I'll go ahead and have this down in the comment section as well if you just want to go ahead and copy it. But as soon as you go ahead and do that, simply open up the marketplace and you're going to see that you'll be able to earn a portion of those Robux back per purchase that you make. Obviously, the more expensive the Roblox purchase, the more Robux you're going to earn back. But it really is as simple as that. If you guys do have any questions, ask them down in the comment section below. One more time, this is a safe extension to use. Before you leave this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really just helps out, lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. Have a great rest of your day, though. Peace.